Stocks opened with solid gains on Wall Street this morning before finishing with mixed results. Dow was the big loser, dropping more than 129 points. The S&P fell 6 points, and the tech-heavy NASDAQ actually saw gains. They finished up 2 points. Well, determining the fate of the American economy in the face of rising inflation, the Federal Reserve says it will not be increasing interest rates today, but what about soon? Queen City News Chief Business Correspondent Taylor Young joining us now to break this all down. Taylor, interest rates will remain near zero.
Yeah, that's right, Brian. For now, this announcement comes as the Fed faces pressure to increase rates in order to slow down spending. And while no policy changes were made today, the committee chairman says they could be coming as early as March.
Inflation remains well above our longer run goal of 2%.
The United States Federal Reserve tasked with keeping unemployment rates low and prices stabilized. While the job market has seen promising growth, fallout from the pandemic paired with federal spending and high wages have soared interest rates to a 4-decade high.
We understand that high inflation imposes significant hardship, especially on those least able to meet the higher costs of essentials like food, housing, and transportation.
Fed Chair Jerome Powell announcing to the nation interest rates will remain at a near zero, while the central bank continues to monitor the course of the pandemic.
If the wave passes quickly, the economic effects should as well, and we would see a return to strong growth. That said, the implications for the economy remain uncertain.
The Federal Reserve cut rates when COVID hit the U.S. in early 2020 in an effort to keep the economy moving. Powell says the U.S. could see its first interest hikes as early as spring.
We'll need to be nimble so that we can respond to the full range of plausible outcomes.
You know, Taylor, we knew it was only going to be a matter of time here with the inflation that we've had. But when was the last time they really had the rates that were this low?
Yeah, really during the 2008 recession. That was really the first time we saw interest rates fall to practically nothing. And when we talk about practically nothing, we're talking about 0% or 0.25%. And it took the Fed about 7 years to bring those prices up, even just a little bit. So 2015. Was the last time. But I think on the flip side, you know, one of the highest interest rates that we have ever seen was 20%, and that was in the 1980s, so it can always be a lot worse.